Figure Robotics just dropped their latest updates on the F.03 Humanoid, and it's moving faster than anyone expected. This advanced humanoid is designed to work side by side with humans, combining powerful AI intelligence with highly dexterous hands for real-world applications. In this update, we cover their latest breakthroughs, including the prestigious White House invitation by First Lady Melania Trump, dramatic 24 times manufacturing scale-up, and the stunning demonstration of two F.03 robots autonomously cleaning a room and making a bed in under 2 minutes. The age of helpful humanoid robots has truly begun. On March 25, 2026, Figure Robotics achieved a historic milestone. Their advanced F.03 humanoid robot was officially invited to the White House by First Lady Melania Trump. Listen as the Figure 03 delivers its own remarks live from the White House.
Thank you, First Lady Melania Trump, for inviting me to the White House. It is an honor to be at Fostering the Future Together's Global Coalition inaugural meeting. I'm Figure 3, a humanoid built in the United States of America. I am grateful to be part of this historic movement to empower children with technology and education. Welcome. Bienvenidos. Yokoso. Bienvenue. Bem-vindos. Ahlan wa sahlan. Shagatam. Mogisam a bit. Bruchim Baim. Laskavo Prosimo. Dobrodošli. Thank you.
This moment inside one of the most iconic buildings in the world is more than symbolic. It shows that humanoid robots have officially stepped onto the global stage. The Figure 03 is no longer a lab prototype. It is now being recognized at the highest level of international leadership. But that's not all. Just days later, Figure shared another major update from their BotQ facility. On April 29, 2026, they revealed they had scaled manufacturing 24 times in just 120 days, going from 1 robot per day to 1 robot every single hour. They announced they would manufacture 55 humanoid robots that week. Behind the scenes, BotQ has already produced over 9,000 actuators. The supply chain is maturing fast, and the robots are coming off the line at an incredible pace. Watch these shots. Here's a close-up of one of their advanced actuators. BotQ has now produced over 9,000 actuators across more than 10 different types. Every single component is being manufactured in-house at record pace. You can see the precision assembly happening right now. These F.03 torsos on the rigs, the arms and legs being fitted, the final integration, everything is moving faster than ever before. And here come the finished robots, rows of them standing tall, ready for deployment. The supply chain is maturing, the team is scaling, and the quality is world-class. This isn't a small prototype run anymore. This is real industrial-scale production of commercially viable humanoid robots. Engineers are working alongside the very machines they're building. The facility is alive with activity. This is the birth of the robot revolution happening in real time. Figure isn't just making robots. They're building an entire ecosystem that can deliver thousands of them into the world. The pace is breathtaking, and it's only getting faster. Watch as one fully completed F.03 humanoid walks with calm confidence down the long central aisle of the BotQ facility, flanked on both sides by row after row of its identical counterparts, standing in perfect formation. Dozens upon dozens of finished robots line the factory floor. Sleek white torsos, glossy black heads, powerful limbs, all powered up and ready. This is no longer a handful of test units. This is a full production army. Then comes the unforgettable shot. From directly behind one robot's head, the camera reveals an entire sea of F.03 humanoids stretching far into the distance. The visual is powerful. An industrial fleet of humanoid robots standing shoulder to shoulder, waiting to go out into the world. And here's where it gets truly jaw-dropping. On May 8, 2026, two-figure F.03 humanoid robots demonstrated something the robotics world has been waiting for. Real, fully autonomous teamwork in an unstructured home environment. Watch this incredible sequence unfold. The two robots enter the messy bedroom with calm confidence. Without any human guidance, they immediately begin cleaning. One robot bends down and picks up scattered clothes from the floor, while the other clears items from a nearby chair. Their movements are precise, natural, and completely independent. They move to the desk area. With dexterous hands, they organize papers, straighten objects, and push the chair neatly into place. Every action is deliberate and coordinated. No pre-programmed paths. This is genuine real-time planning and execution by their advanced AI brains. Now comes the most impressive part, the bed-making demonstration. Both robots approach the unmade bed from opposite sides. They grasp the large striped duvet together in perfect sync, lift it high in the air, shake it out smoothly, and spread it across the mattress in one fluid, coordinated motion. They fluff the pillows, adjust every corner, tuck in the sides, and gently smooth out every wrinkle until the bed looks hotel perfect. Notice the subtle communication between them, the small nods they give each other after completing each task. It's a tiny but powerful sign that these two independent AI systems are actually collaborating in real time. In under 2 minutes total, these two F.03 robots transformed a completely messy room into a tidy, organized space. They picked up clothes, organized the desk, straightened furniture, and made the bed with stunning precision, all without a single human command. This is a massive breakthrough. Handling soft, deformable objects like bedding and clothing has always been one of the hardest challenges in robotics. Figure just proved their F.03 can do it autonomously, at scale and with beautiful coordination. These robots aren't science fiction anymore. They are ready today for real-world tasks in homes, hotels, hospitals, warehouses, and elderly care facilities. Figure is proving that humanoid robots can be manufactured at massive scale and perform genuinely useful, practical tasks completely on their own. The robot revolution isn't coming in 2040, it's already here in 2026. Which job do you think the first humanoid robots will take over in your daily life? House cleaning? Factory work? Hotel management? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If you're excited about the future of AI and robotics, smash that like button, subscribe to AI 2040 Almanac, and hit the bell so you never miss the next big update. See you in the next episode, where the future gets even closer.